Hello my student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to find the value of x from this question. So the question is 2 power 2x plus 10 equal 3 power x plus 5. So let's make the solution. Let's find the solution. First of all, we have to know this property, which means the a power b times c equal to a b c, which means this 2 power 2x plus 10 equal to 2 power 2x plus 5. So let's make the solution. 2 power 2x plus 10 equal to 3 power x plus 5. Then 2, we're going to factorize. 2x plus 5 equal to 3 power x plus 5. And then we know that 2 power 2 equal to 4, which means 4 power x plus 5 equal to 3 power x plus 5. And then we are going to divide. Yes, let's divide both sides by 3 power x plus 5. By dividing, we see that 4 power x plus 5 over 3 power x plus 5 equal to 3 power x plus 5 over 3 power x plus 5. So the answer would be equal to, and we know that for example, if a power, yes, let's call it k over b power k, this will be equal to a over b then power k. So as the same as here, we'll be having 4 over 3 power x plus 5, because they're having the same exponent, the same powers. So it will be equal to, this is 1, it will be equal to 1. And we know that every number, every non-zero number to the power 0 equal to 1, which means 4 over 3 power x plus 5 can be equal to 4 over 3 then to the power 0. And then by making that, we are having the same base, which means x plus 5 equal to, yes, x plus 5 equal to 0, and then x will be equal to negative 5. So here's the answer. Let me see in the comment, do you agree with this answer?